Good day, Nigerians. I'm George by name. Welcome to Layhold Betting System. Betting, as we know, is the act of risking money for an unknown event. In Nigeria, there are so many places right now in looks and corners where you have betting business going around. Now, why Layhold system is the best? As we know, betting is of two ways. You have the bookers and you have the pointers. Now, the booker decided to provide this hold for us in a sense that we will not win. They will always remain the winner because that is the business. Pointers, we accumulate games. That is the secret where the booker designed the hold. They designed the hold for we to accumulate games because they have the full assurance that while we as pointers accumulating games, one or two we cut our sleep. That is why you have the song everywhere. One cut my sleep, two cut my sleep. That is the reason why I'm bringing you to Layhold. Layhold has been the secret behind my success all these years. And I've decided to put out the secret because of the cries of pointers all over the vicinity and the society at large. This is the reason why Layhold system happens to be the best and they refuse to put it in their system because with this Layhold system, they are going to wreck. That is for sure. They know what they are doing and they know that they know what they are doing. This system has helped me for the past years and I've decided to let out the secret to other pointers. The economic situation in this country has become something else that there is nothing to write home about. There are difficulty everywhere, big and small, old and young are experiencing the economic situation. So if we pointers can transform this betting business to an investment business, I think we are going to make ends meet every day. Now, I want to show you what I mean by Layhold and some proof concerning Layhold. I have a primary account, but I decided to fund this account for more proof and other things to avoid much questioning. This is an account that I credited on the 9th of May, just some few days back, and I'm showing you this just to tell you that betting is of two forms: gambling and investment. If you want to gamble, you go on back betting, but if you want to invest, you go on lay. Lay betting don't allow you to lose. Lay betting always puts you on the winning platform. You just count your money on daily basis without losing. You don't stress yourself forecasting, you don't stress yourself predicting. You just count your money every day. This is an amount. I credited this account with 10,000 naira. I can assure you right now that this account has grown to 19,900 naira just within the space of 5 days. So if this account can grow to 19,900 naira between the space of 5 days, how much can this account be in 30 days time? On subsequent time, I will be showing you the video for more proof. This account is growing by the day and is still growing. The following day, I will show you this account is still growing. As the case may be, this Layhold system shows you how to win and never to lose. You get any amount of money you invest, you get it in fivefold, which is 500%. This system that I derive have been surviving me for the past 4 years now. So in other words, I am organizing a seminar for this system. So many persons have been telling me to make it available for them, but I want to show you something. This is some of the proof on what I'm telling you about. The label system helps you never to lose a bet. Here you win, even when you lose. In your next winning, you recover all your loss and your gain. In your next winning, you recover all your loss and your gain. That is how it goes. If you check the next page, you will see that you keep winning. You check the next page, you see that you keep winning. That is how you win on and on. The most important thing is, win or lose, your money keeps increasing. I'll show you of that. That is the label system. It allows you to turn your loss to won. This is what you're going to learn on that seminar day. I'm going to teach you one-on-one wherever you are in Nigeria. I urge you to come down to Port Harcourt. If you're in Southeast, more better for you. Opportunity, they say, come but once. When preparation meets opportunity, it's a success. This might never come your way again. So I urge you to grab this opportunity and make a very good use of it. This is the betting system. I want you to get tired of one cut me. Stop complaining. Since you've gotten the opportunity, come and get the secret with me, and I believe you're going to triumph. There is no need you going back looking for a job and all the rest of them. If you know you are somewhere in Nigeria or around the world, you cannot come to the seminar due to one or two activities in your schedule, you can still reach us anywhere in the world. Since we are living in a globalized world now, we can ship the content for you, the materials, wherever you are. You can receive it at the comfort of your home, apply it, and start making cash on daily basis. You can contact us on social media, WhatsApp, whatever, Facebook page, and all the rest of them. We will get to you as soon as possible. But try and be on the seminar day. Thank you very much. I'm George by name.